Good day and welcome to this X-Celerate webinar where we are going to look at an introduction of AVEVA InTouch HMI. My name is Moses Tiwane and I'm a Junior Solutions Consultant at IS3 and AVEVA Select Partner. So in this session, we aim to give you some of the valuable information to make decisions on a product that can ultimately save you time, improve production at a much more affordable rate. And that is one of our goals to all our customers. So in this presentation, we are going to outline the InTouch HMI product and discuss the main features and competitive advantage that it offers, and we'll also talk a little bit about licensing and conclude with some enhancements made to this product. So let's get started. I would like to pose a question. Why would we choose InTouch? Firstly, InTouch is a fun and user-friendly product that we have been using for so many years and still enjoy. Its ease of use and effective implementation consistently surpasses the expectations. So this makes it easier to achieve great results, and especially when working with customers. InTouch HMI is undergoing technological transition from its original desktop application format to being more portable and adaptable across various devices with web browsers. And this shifts open new possibilities and excites us about the future. The role of InTouch HMI has evolved beyond just integrating field devices, as it now has the ability to connect to other software systems and databases. And with this, the HMI expands its capabilities beyond process control. So on the slide, we are just highlighting the different portfolios that we have. You may have seen this in some of our accelerator session, and this just highlights which portfolio the product is in. And the AVEVA InTouch HMI belongs to the operate portfolio for operations and control. And we are constantly working on to improve and innovate. We are listening to the feedback that you give us, and we advance the solutions that we provide and finding new ways to give you the tools that you need. Whether you're a new customer or a long-time partner, our goal has always been to grow together alongside you so that you meet your moments accordingly. We have revamped various aspects of the user experience, including Window Maker, and this process took about 2 years to complete due to its complexity. We have also made some key improvements, and this improvement include the modernized user experience with detailed enhancement and also the cloud management enhancement for industrial graphics. We have also removed software limitations such as tag license restrictions. Now we are now offering the unlimited licenses. We have expanded capabilities for tag names, item names, comments, and super tags. And we also have introduced the widget technology that are based on HTML5. And we are using both our workstations and web browsers. The current release include the new widgets like your map and team widgets. We have improved the HTML5 web support, particularly for personal workspaces, which are now available with corresponding licenses. We're going to touch on this on the next slide. And we have also improved the mobile support through the unified application. These improvements aim to streamline user interaction and offer more flexibility and functionality across different platforms. The workspace is one of the features that we have added on the current release of the InTouch HMI. So instead of traditional workspaces, we are now going to view our InTouch screen in a browser. Workspaces allows you to create graphics on a spot without needing development skills or such as training or much training. You can gather data points easily by creating new screens with symbols from the folder called workspaces. These symbols are customizable by using custom properties. Workspaces is an exciting addition because it allows you easy content creation and collaboration within your organization. And thanks to web capabilities, you can now publish workspaces for other users in your organization to access and collaborate on a content management within InTouch. And we have web widgets. This makes your industrial life much more easy. So beyond the world's most powerful graphics library, AVEVA InTouch HMI 2023 now offers a pre-built web widgets that expand process visualization. The latest InTouch HMI installation comes equipped with powerful map widget, carousel widget, web browser widget, QR code reader widget, and AVEVA teamwork widget. These web widgets transform what a modern InTouch HMI is capable of and beyond visualization. For example, InTouch HMI users can now roam the plant with mobile phones and tablets and scan the QR code with cameras to bring up the dynamic HMI display. And they can also collaborate with more experienced colleagues in real time to troubleshoot any abnormal processes. AVEVA InTouch HMI has been a leading software in this field for over 3 decades. InTouch HMI offers user friendliness, innovation, investment protection, connectivity, support, and a wide partner network. InTouch HMI was one of the world's first product, and it is commonly used in manufacturing and process control applications. This award-winning software facilitates the creation and deployment across the enterprise. InTouch is used in a third of global industrial facilities, and InTouch ensures business value through engineering simplicity, operational agility, and this results in enhanced performance, responsiveness, cost reduction, security, and also risk mitigation. The more complex your operations become, the more you need common sense, real-time view of your business. InTouch HMI empowers innovators from around the world with the ability to standardize and visualize the entire enterprise. In a world where more devices of diverse form factors, users may need to design an application of uncommon sizes or simply design an application for displays the designers have no access to. So AVEVA InTouch HMI now allows users to design application in a target resolutions that is different from the development machine. Resolution independent graphics can now be resized or stretched without losing its original visual quality. And this improves the window display performance and can be designed in one resolution and reused without the graphics being altered to a different resolution. AVEVA InTouch HMI offers a secure remote access capabilities, which will allow authorized users to monitor and control industrial processes from remote locations. And this feature will therefore facilitate the remote troubleshooting, the maintenance, and it will also enhance operational efficiency and flexibility. InTouch HMI offers the most comprehensive portfolio of secure web-based visualization of your real-time automation solutions. This includes the InTouch Web Client and the InTouch Access Anywhere. Our customers can now enjoy both the real-time control and casual real-time production monitoring at their fingertips by leveraging any HTML5 compliant web browsers with zero client installation, zero maintenance whatsoever. The InTouch HMI is also fully mobile and works natively on tablets and smartphones. The InTouch web client is available as a read-only or read-write, which is ideal for embedding HMI graphics in business enterprise portals in addition to your remote operators. InTouch Access Anywhere is an extension to the InTouch, and that provides the industry's most secure access to the InTouch application via any HTML5 compliant web browsers. And it enables users to securely monitor and troubleshoot the plant's equipment or the processes from any locations at any time. Moving on to the data acquisition aspect. The InTouch HMI simplifies data acquisition by connecting to a wide array of industrial devices such as sensors, PLCs, and historians through AVEVA communication driver packs. These packs include supervisory and telemetry drivers for collecting real-time and historical data. So in terms of integration, InTouch HMI supports multiple communication protocols to connect to various industrial devices and systems. This includes the data historians in AVEVA Insight or Recipe Manager. It also facilitates connections to any devices or backend systems using standard interfaces like your OPC, UA, OPC DA, SQL, and .NET for external connectivity, making this real-time data an essential part of business operation. And as we move on to historization and data logging aspect, InTouch HMI facilitates storage and retrieval of past processed data for analysis and reporting. It offers tools for trend visualization, report generation, and data analytics to spot patterns, anomalies, and optimization prospects. InTouch HMI smoothly integrates with AVEVA Historian and includes a built-in publisher to AVEVA Insight. AVEVA Insight is a cloud-based tool for data analytics and visualization. This new release of InTouch HMI presents thousands of new and legacy InTouch users with an opportunity to benefit from modernization through industrial graphics, rich animations, multi-touch, web access, and more. This release brings the power of industrial graphics and frame windows to all the InTouch HMI legacy users, and it seamlessly converts existing InTouch windows to industrial graphics with just one click. Also, this latest release no longer requires the installation of SQL Server to use the industrial graphics in a standalone application. This drastically improves the performance of installing the product and creating new applications and saving applications. It also provides the ability to distribute the InTouch HMI applications by simply copying the application folder across the machines. And this is a list of more features, and we are going to highlight a few of them in the following slides. One of the most exciting additions is the introduction of user-defined data types, unities, also known as structures. This feature will allow users to create their own data structures to match the field equipments or assets. Users can now create and reuse custom data types similar to object-oriented HMI design, and this provides an organization with the structure of a flat tag name associated with the assets. Assets like your pump or valve. This enhancement improves engineering efficiency with a templated approach to a tag creation. Utilities can nest up to 6 levels. They allow export and import probability for cross-portfolio interoperability. The changes that are made uh, in a data type are reflected immediately in the Unity instance, and also the modern PLC controller structure are also supported. Another exciting addition is the support for scalable vector graphics, the SVGs, within the industrial graphic object. You can import SVGs directly or use them as native image types, and this enhances the visual customization options. This means customers can now create drawings in a third-party package like the Adobe Illustrator and can import and convert the SVGs to AVEVA Industrial Graphics. We have also introduced a convenient feature for creating InTouch tags from OPC servers by browsing and dragging items from an OPC UA server in Window Maker. Users can efficiently generate new tags, and this saves time and effort. So, in terms of security, this utility is used to securely store user credentials for authenticating access to components such as graphics, scripts, and control during runtime. And optionally, this can enable access to specific standalone and managed InTouch applications to users. So enhancements have been made to alarm management, including the ability to latch and dismiss alarms. Users can acknowledge alarms which transitions to a latched state for continued visibility. Dismissal options have been expanded. This provides more control over the alarm handling. So InTouch HMI has evolved over the years, and major enhancements since 2014 are to include things like your unlimited tags and clients, the HTML5 graphics, security, and more. So one thing to note here is that throughout the years, InTouch HMI has maintained its backward compatibility, and this is to ensure that projects that are created in older versions of the softwares can be opened and used in newer versions. This is very important because we have industries where systems need to be upgraded or updated over time, but existing projects and data still needs to be accessed. So in closing, I would like to extend a special invitation to each and every one of you. And if you want to learn more about our products, I would encourage you to visit our Customer Experience Center, where you would find interactive demos and experts who are ready to answer any of the questions that you might have. Our Customer Experience Center is located at our offices in the Waterfall Park in Midrand. So if you are interested in scheduling a visit or learning more, please do visit our website at www.is3.co.za. And this concludes our video. Thank you very much for your attention and interest in our product. Till we meet again, cheers.